Welcome to Nas Vlog, your go-to destination for steamy and delectable food recipe. I love experimenting its simple and nutritious dishes to pass the time and steer clear of restaurant fare. Today I'm excited to share a recipe for the delicious and renowned Kerala Coconut Curry Noodles, a dish that's both juicy and creamy. This recipe is not only interesting to cook but also delight to eat, making it perfect for both adults and kids. Whether you prefer a vegetarian or non-vegetarian version, this recipe has got you covered. Let's get started. Ingredients are given in the description box. In a saucepan, heat cooking oil and add curry leaves, green chillies, ginger, sliced onion and turmeric powder. Add water to prevent burning and cooking until the onion becomes soft. Prepare coconut milk using coconut powder with water. Add chicken or vegetable stock, stirring until dissolved. Add coriander leaves and lime juice. Season with salt and strain the curry into a different saucepan. Enhance the flavor by adding truffle oil. And for the main ingredients, customize the dish with your favorite vegetable or meat. I am adding chicken strip and variety of mushrooms, but vegetarians can skip the chicken and opt for their preferred veggies. Shrimps also work wonder. I have tried it and it was tasting just like a wow. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes until it's fully cooked. Add bok choy leaves and cook for 2 minutes. So now that our main dish, protein and vegetables are ready, let's keep this aside and let's cook noodles. Cook the noodles by boiling them in water for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain and rinse with cold water to prevent stiffness. Now assemble the dishes by placing noodles in a bowl, adding the cooked chicken and mushrooms and all other vegetables, and finally pouring in a coconut creamy curry soup. Enjoy it piping hot. If you have tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching Nas Vlog.